Did you know that May is arguably the most magnificent month for gardeners? Today, let's know the 15 outstanding plants that thrive when planted during this vibrant month. So let's explore these wonderful additions to your garden. First, consider the cheerful and resilient sunflowers. These towering beauties not only create a stunning visual impact with their bright yellow petals, but they also attract beneficial pollinators to your garden. Moreover, their seeds can be harvested later for delicious snacks or bird feed. Second now is the ideal time to plant tomatoes. These juicy, versatile fruits come in countless varieties, from tiny cherry tomatoes to enormous beefsteaks. Importantly, they need full sun and consistent watering to produce their best harvest. Additionally, consider adding a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture during the increasingly warmer days. Third, the humble yet productive zucchini deserves a spot in your May garden. These incredibly prolific plants will reward you with an abundance of tender, nutritious squash throughout the summer months. Furthermore, their beautiful yellow blossoms are edible and make a delightful garnish for summer dishes. Fourth, for a burst of vibrant color and a steady supply of fresh salads, plant lettuce varieties. However, choose heat-resistant varieties since temperatures will inevitably rise in the coming months. Alternatively, consider planting lettuce in partially shaded areas to extend the harvest season. Fifth, fragrant and versatile basil is a must-have herb that thrives when planted in May. This aromatic herb pairs wonderfully with those tomatoes you've just planted. Similarly, it grows exceptionally well in containers, making it perfect for patio gardens or windowsills. Sixth, the beautiful and beneficial marigold deserves consideration. These bright orange and yellow flowers aren't just visually appealing. They also naturally repel many garden pests. As a result, they make excellent companion plants throughout your garden beds. Seventh, the heat-loving pepper plants, both sweet and spicy varieties, flourish when planted now. They require similar growing conditions to tomatoes, but are somewhat more heat-tolerant. Surprisingly, many gardeners find that the hotter the summer, the spicier their hot peppers become. Eighth, the fast-growing radish provides nearly instant gratification in the garden. These peppery root vegetables can be ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks. Consequently, they are perfect for impatient gardeners or children learning about growing food. Ninth, the versatile and nutritious bean plants thrive in May's warming soil. Whether you choose bush beans or climbing varieties, these nitrogen-fixing plants actually improve your soil while producing delicious harvests. Therefore, consider rotating them through different garden beds each year. 10th, don't forget the beloved cucumber. These refreshing vegetables grow quickly and prolifically during the warm months ahead. Subsequently, you'll have plenty for fresh eating, pickling, and sharing with neighbors and friends. 11th, consider planting colorful cosmos flowers. These daisy-like blooms are incredibly easy to grow and remarkably drought-tolerant once established. Furthermore, they attract numerous butterflies and beneficial insects, while providing gorgeous cut flowers for indoor arrangements throughout summer and fall. 12th, the nutritional powerhouse kale can be planted now for an extended harvest season. This super hardy leafy green becomes sweeter after light frosts, meaning you'll potentially enjoy harvests well into autumn. Additionally, its textured blue-green leaves add striking visual interest to both vegetable gardens and ornamental borders. 13th, aromatic cilantro deserves a place in your May garden. Though somewhat heat-sensitive when planted now with afternoon shade, this versatile herb will provide flavorful leaves for several weeks. Interestingly, when it eventually bolts in the heat, the flowers attract beneficial insects, and later you can harvest the seeds as coriander. 14th, the elegant and productive eggplant thrives when planted in May's warming soil. These glossy purple fruits not only taste delicious, but also look stunningly beautiful growing in the garden. Notably, they require consistent warmth and benefit greatly from regular feeding throughout the growing season. 15th, don't overlook the humble yet rewarding pumpkin. When planted in May, these sprawling vines have plenty of time to develop their charming orange fruits before autumn. Consequently, you'll have homegrown pumpkins for fall decorating, pie making, and possibly even competitive giant pumpkin contests. In conclusion, May offers boundless opportunities for gardeners of all experience levels. By choosing these 15 wonderful plants, you'll ensure a garden that's not only beautiful, but also productive throughout the summer months. Happy planting!